get them up. Everybody up, love it look, yeah, get them up.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're gonna do an oil change on the Beamer. Gonna do an oil change, but first make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. So today, as I said, we're gonna do an oil change on the Beamer. And if y'all didn't see the video before of the start stop button, go and check that video out. I already posted, so go check it out if y'all like the start stop button. And also, this is a overlay red carbon fiber, as y'all could see. But if you don't look closely, you're not gonna know. It's like a 3M tape holding it on. That shit look good, man. And also, make sure y'all go catch the video on the install of the carbon fiber armors. So let's get into the video, man. So let's go over to the storage real quick, and then we're gonna do the oil change. So probably the next few videos I'm gonna drop is gonna be on the door handles. Y'all already know that the BMWs, like the door handle is easy to get sticky by the sun, so we're gonna swap these out to some carbon fiber. And also we're gonna change the color of the door, so and on the ear. So stay tuned for that, guys, because the tan, I don't really like this color, but I'm just gonna rock it for right now until I get the chance to like change it. And also the next mod I want to do, I want to change the steering wheel from this one to like the F80 steering wheel. But yeah, and we also went and pick up the bumpers. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, so right now we on the way. We're going by the storage so we could do the maintenance on the car. But yeah guys, journey with us. Let's go. Okay guys, so I just pulled up to the storage. Here's the queue. I'm also parting it out right now. So if you guys got a Q50, it doesn't matter what year is the Q50, y'all could just hit me up. I got some parts selling. I got the logo lights right there. Got brand new bucket seats with harness and the racing bar, as you can see right there. Airbags. I got doors, trunk, quarter panel. So let me know what you need. But now I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit, then I'm gonna jack it up, and then we're gonna get started with the oil change. Got oil right there, got everything right here that I'm gonna need. Got jack stands, and also I didn't show you guys these. I'm gonna take it out the car right now first, and then I'm gonna go back to camera. But first we're gonna do the oil change, and then after that I got the valve cover on the way. I ordered it already, so I'm just waiting on it to like come in. But that's how it's looking, man. It's gonna look way better than this soon guys, so stay tuned. And as I said before, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get it, man. Okay guys, so I was letting it cool off, so right now I'm about to jack it up right now. So let's do it. Okay guys, so I jacked the car up in the air on the two sides. So now we're gonna put a third jack just for support, but everything is up in the air, so it's about time. So I'm gonna gather these stuff real quick. I got the filter and everything in the car, so I'm gonna take them out, and then we're gonna start the process. Okay guys, so I'm under the car. I take off all the shield and all of that, and also look at the inner cooler right here. This shit's small as fuck, so soon I'm gonna have to upgrade this. But here's the oil pan over here. All I have to do is just move this to the side like this, and the drain plug is right here. So I'm gonna get my phone stand, the tripod, and then let you guys like stay right here so you guys could see the process. But it's easy, guys. So just like that, guys, we're just making the old oil drain out. So we're just gonna leave it for a minute. After that, after it finish draining off, we're gonna go up to the top and then remove the old filter. So whenever it stops, I'm gonna pick up at the camera and go up top. Okay guys, so just like that, we're just letting the oil under the bottom, we're just letting it drain off right now. So now we're gonna remove the filter, but first y'all gonna need to put like a paper towel around it, or a towel like this, or a rag, anything y'all want to call it, but that's how we're gonna do it so the oil won't drain all over the place. So we're gonna do that and then remove the filter, and then we're gonna put the new filter after we clean it out, and we're gonna cover it back. So I just got a bag to like put the old filter in. So I'm gonna set it to the side real quick. Then I'm gonna use the paper towel to take out some of the old oil. So I'm gonna use the paper towel to take it out. So first, with the new oil filter, you're gonna get the washers and O-rings, and this part with it to lock in, but I don't really need it because this one looks okay and the gasket right here looks okay. So I'm not gonna use this because we don't really need it, but we're gonna put the new filter in, and then we're gonna plug up down under there, then we're gonna start putting oil in it. So let's go. So okay guys, so with the under shroud, we're not gonna put it back because it's ripped up and dirty. I'm gonna order a new one for it, but I already buttoned up under there already. So, and we already changed the oil filter, so now we're gonna put oil in the car, and then we're gonna lower the car, and then we're gonna start it and see if there's any leak. But so far everything is buttoned up, everything put back where they're supposed to go, This is gonna go in the garbage. That as the old oil filter. So now we're gonna put the oil in and then get a startup. But first, let me jack down the car and then put the oil in. So right now we're gonna put the oil in now, guys. So we're gonna put all of this. Let me take this part off, the extension. I don't think we need it, but okay. So we're gonna do 1 full quart first. 1 full 5 quarts, I should say. Then we're gonna put in 1 quart after. So this one is the 5W30 full synthetic by Valvoline. So we're gonna use all of this 5 quart first. Then we're gonna use a little bit of the next 5 quart. So we're gonna use like probably 2 out of it or 1, and that's gonna be the oil change. So that's 1 5 quart down. Let this drain a little bit. Then we're gonna put a little bit of the other one. So that's 1. So now we're gonna use the same thing, but as you can see, it's at like almost 3.5. So we're gonna use it to like right here, 2.5. Let me check it. So it's at 2.5. Let me put a little bit more. I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, that's gonna be it. You don't want it to overfill it. So we got exactly 2 3/4 of oil leave. So we're gonna let it drain a little bit, then put back the oil cap. Make sure y'all tighten it when y'all putting it back. So now we're gonna put back the cover and all of that. Or before I put back the cover, I'm gonna go in the car and start it, and then come back and then check underneath if anything is leaking. So right now everything is running good. So that's gonna be the end of the oil change video. And peace. I'll catch you in the next one, guys.